Hey girlies, y'all know fall is literally right around the corner, and if you know that it's silk press season. So I'm not gonna be doing too many of those on my real hair, so this is why I picked me up a good straight silk press wig from Ashimary hair. So let's just get into it. All right, so wake me up a little bit. We're gonna start out with a little bit of music. So I do have Ashimary's 13x6 full lace frontal straight wig. She is 26 inches. Everything is already done. It's pre-cut, it's pre-plucked, and pre-bleached. Look at the overall construction. Y'all know I love the adjustable band that they have. I also love that the combs are removable. Y'all, I cannot stand combs, but this is just the overall construction. The hair was nice, silky and soft straight out the box. No need to wash or do anything. It is ready for install. So I am adjusting my mesh cap. I was looking crazy because y'all, my hair is dirty AF. It needs to be freaking washed, but I am putting on the wig for the first time and all the work is done. This is the overall view of the hair. I do have to fix the band in the back and my braid. That's why it's looking a little lumpy. Trust me, it's not gonna look like that. The construction, look at this. Eats down. It's flat in the center, which I love, meaning you can wear it glueless. Going in to tint the lace because it is transparent, I am using, I think, Kiss Temptation in the shade medium brown. When we put this back on, y'all gonna see how good and important it is to tint your lace because as you guys can see, it blends in very well. Now I have to wipe off the tint spray that got on the hair strands. We're going in with a little bit of wax. It did come, pretty much ready to go, but y'all know I like to go in just a little bit and put my own personal touches to it. So I'm just gonna run my hot comb through it. So since the wig is just a little bit big, we're gonna make a part just at the top of our ear. That way the wig will sit perfectly behind it and not on top. Y'all see that? So we're going in to do our everyday install. If you guys are OGs, you already know how to do this, so I don't show too much of this. If you stay towards the next part of the video, I'm gonna show you guys my new technique and method to install my wigs. Y'all, I've been loving this method, especially when I do not wear baby hairs. It's a life changer and I'm obsessed. Okay, so anyway, this is how it turns out. Everything looks flawless. I am gonna put my elastic band on. Now, I love that they come with the little ear muffs because baby, if you sleeping in this overnight, your ears is gonna burn. Okay, so I love that they included this. This is what it looks like after I let it melt for about 10 minutes. It looks amazing, but I am gonna go in with some Sebastian hairspray to just have that laid pressed look. We're gonna define our part using our cream foundation by Kisses, and I like to use the darkest shade to do so. So I'm just gonna brush through the hair and run my flat iron through just to get any kinks out because this is a silk press. It has to look pressed TF out, okay? So I just love the quality of this hair, y'all. Look at it. I love it. Stop playing, period. And now I'm just gonna go in just a little bit to clip the ends just to make everything looks nice and cohesive. And that is going to conclude this first portion of the install, y'all. Amazing, straight out the box. This is the back of it. I freaking love it. Stop playing. This is actually a month later. I have been wearing this wig religiously. It's freshly washed and conditioned. I'm obsessed, okay? So I'm gonna show you guys how I quickly install my wigs when I'm not wearing baby hair. So once I, fix the lace into position, I am grabbing my handy dandy got2b glue and I'm just spraying the outside of the lace. And then I use my comb to make sure I am combing the hair strands. This gonna be your trick to not have crunchy hair, is to comb it while it is drying. I'm using the end of the comb as well to make sure the lace is down. And as far as the ear tabs, I do spray a little bit of got2b glue under it as well as on top just to have that extra security. So that is my new method. I have been loving it. I feel like it's easier than what I'm used to doing. It's quicker as well. we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna blend in this hairline. I don't use tinting spray. I just use cream foundation to blend the lace. I feel like with HD laces, tinting spray just, to me, just does not work well. I feel like cream foundation just sets everything off. So we're about to go into the styling, and as you guys can see, this is giving scalp. I don't care what nobody say or what they say, period. So we're gonna do this cute little style that I seen on Pinterest, and I was like, what better unit to do it on than this one? It's already got that little vibe going to it. I'm obsessed. Basically, it's just two pigtails. That's literally what it is. I don't do no part or nothing. I just pull it up, and I feel like, y'all, it's just cute. I don't know, it just gives me like 90. The shirt is already 90s. Y'all know I'm a 90s baby myself, so it's just like, I don't know, I was just giving 90s vibe in my personal opinion. Now I wish I had like some different ponytail holders, something cute. I just had these boring basic rubber bands, but that is neither here or there. I do go in to define the part once more just to, you know, have it pop. So now I'm gonna take my Babyliss Pro and just curl under, and that just hit the spot. I said, I can't leave these straight. Let me just curl these under. And when I said that topped off the freaking look, stop playing with me. This is cute. It's simple. Like, look at this. I love it. So this is the last style. It's just a clean girl everyday deep side part. All the girlies pretty much go to this, you know, when they're sick of middle parts. So yeah, y'all, overall, I had this wig since the end of July, early August, and I want to tell you guys that this is probably one of my best straight hair units that I've had. Okay, that I've had. I am obsessed. This is gonna be a staple in your winter, your fall, even your everyday, you know, wig wear. It is that girl. I love the quality of the hair. Like I said, every time I wash it, and I wash it about 3 or 4 times, it returns back to its natural state, which is soft, silky, and bouncy. Look at this. Look at it, y'all. Now, it does have layers in it now. It didn't originally come like that, but yeah. I don't have no complaints, y'all. It does its, you know, regular shedding, a little bit of tangling here and there, but overall 10 out of freaking 10. I'll be sure to link this unit in the description section below. I hope you guys enjoyed, and until my next video, your girl will see you later. Bye guys.